just completed our first 50K getaway, which is a Caribbean cruise.
Už sme absolvovali 50K sport.
50,000.
Prvú dovolenku v úrovni 50,000 bodov, ktorá bola plavba výletnou loďou.
And they forced me to go for work.
A donútili ma tam ísť služobne.
It was a great experience.
A bolo to úžasná skúsenosť.
And we want everybody from Europe to strive to get there as well.
A takisto by sme boli radi, aby aj ľudia v Európe sa snažili a dosiahli takýto cieľ.
We had 38 people attend our first cruise, and this is a group, so they're all their families.
Na prvej plavbe sme mali 38 ľudí, niektorí aj s rodinami.
We kayaked in Haiti.
Plavili sme sa na kajakoch na Haiti.
This is Ivan and Samir Acevedo from Puerto Rico.
Toto sú Ivan a Samir Acevedo z Puerto Rica.
Let me tell you a little bit about their story.
Chcem vám povedať niečo o ich príbeh.
Ivan was unemployed, he lost his job.
Ivan bol nezamestnaný, išiel o prácu.
And his wife was working part-time.
A jeho manželka pracovala na čiastočný úväzok.
They were desperate because they were losing their house and their car.
Boli zúfali, pretože už strácali svoj dom a svoje auto.
Ivan's friend introduced him to Singular.
A Ivanov priateľ mu povedal niečo o Singulari.
His wife was mad that he joined. His wife was upset at him.
A samozrejme manželka sa na neho za to hnevala, že sa pridal.
But after a few months when he was making money, then she accepted it.
Ale po niekoľkých mesiacoch, keď začal zarábať, zmenila svoj názor.
7 months later, he had enough money to replace her income and his income.
O 7 mesiacov mal príjem, ktorý nahradil ich spoločný príjem obidvoch.
And they were able to bring their family on the cruise.
A mohli s rodinou na tú plavbu.
So the average income in Puerto Rico is a little over $1,000 a month.
A priemerný príjem v Puerto Riku je niečo menej ako $1,000 na mesiac.
With Singular, they make 4 or 5 times that.
A s Singularom zarobia 4 až 5 krát viac.
So it's a great opportunity for them.
Takže skvelá príležitosť aj pre nich.
There's a group of us that's in the Grand Cayman at Stingray Bay.
A ďalšia skupina Singularu Stingray Bay, Grand Cayman, Kajmanské ostrovy asi.
This is one of our other top distributors in the United States. Her name is Carla Stadel.
Carla Stadel je jeden z našich top distribútorov v Spojených štátoch.
She's been in the business just over a year now.
Je v Singulari niečo vyše roka.
She's a mother of 7 children.
Má 7 detí.
And she was working part-time with her husband.
Pracovala na čiastočný úväzok.
Trying to make ends meet. Trying to get by and make enough to cover the bills.
A snažili sa zarobiť aspoň toľko, aby si mohli platiť účty.
She started with Singular and started taking the products and lost 40 kilos. Začala
užívať Singular produkty a strátila nejakých 40 kg, teda schudla nejakých 40 kg.
Her friends noticed the difference and asked her what she was doing. She shared the products with a few people.
Priatelia si všimli tú zmenu na nej a spýtovali sa, čím to je, tak sa podelila svoje skúsenosťou s produktami.
Because of her change in her life and the change in the opportunities, she is now the top earner in all of Singular.
A vďaka tej zmene, ktorú zažila v svojom živote, je teraz top najlepšie zarábajúca v Singulari.
She's an amazing woman that works about 20 hours a week at her business.
A je už úžasná žena, robí na tom asi 20 hodín do týždňa.
You can imagine with 7 children you can't do much, but she works part-time.
Uznáte, že s 7 deťmi viac nestihnete, takže je tak na čiastočný úväzok.
Now she makes more money than her husband, much more money.
A teraz zarába oveľa viac ako manžel.
And she lives in a small town of 2,000 people near Kansas City, Missouri.
A žije v malom mestečku, alebo skôr dedinke možno, 2000 obyvateľmi v Missouri, v Kansas City.
Some of the strengths of Singular that we see and we like to share about is our very unique compensation plan.
Naše silné stránky k Singularu, výnimočný unikátny kompenzačný plán, čiže odmeňovací plán.
Great products that work.
Úžasné výrobky, ktoré fungujú.
And our distributor's best interest at heart. We want to make you succeed. Our job is to make you successful.
A sme spoločnosť, ktorá chce, aby distribútori boli úspešní.
Some of the things that have been happening with Singular around the world. This is a magazine in the United States.
Pár vecí o Singulari vo svete. Toto je magazín, ktorý sa vydáva v USA. A tento druhý je zase v Anglicku.
Talks about the best compensation plan in the industry.
A hovorí na titulnej stránke o najlepšom kompenzačnom pláne v tomto segmente, v tomto odvetví.
The word is starting to get out as we have great distributors sharing the stories. We have people from these magazines that actually call the company and ask us what's going on. Can we tell the story more about Singular because they hadn't heard about us?
A ľudia, redaktori z časopisu nám volali, že sa dozvedeli o nás a chceli by niečo o tom napísať, pretože o takom niečom ešte doteraz nepočuli.
Okay. This is from the Obtainer magazine, which is the top European network marketing magazine just last month.
A toto je snímka teda magazínu, ktorý je lídrom teda v tej tlači, čo sa týka sieťového marketingu v Európe.
They called me and asked for an interview to explain how and why people were being so successful with Singular in Europe.
Bolo to asi pred mesiacom, zavolali ma, alebo my, a spýtali sa ma, aby som porozprával o tom, prečo je Singular taký úspešný aj v Európe.
It's online if you want to read it. I think it's even in Slovak. It's the Obtainer magazine.
Je to online na internete, možno aj v slovenčine, ak si chceli pozrieť. Obtainer magazine. Takže je to z angličtiny, ale je to už aj v slovenčine preložené, môžeme na to poslať.
Some of the industry facts that we want to share with you how big the industry is and the opportunity is.
Niečo o tomto odvetví, aké je veľké, aké sú príležitosti.
The wellness industry, roughly $200 billion a year.
Odvetvie wellness, neviem, či to slovensky nejako ináč tomu hovorí. Wellness. Od 200 miliárd až do bilióna dolárov. In the next 5 to 7 years.
It's growing.
So it's the opportunity.
The wellness industry is growing from 2 billion to a trillion.
Takže v najbližších 5 až 7 rokoch z tých 200 miliárd až do bilióna dolárov bude rast.
The diet industry is about $850 billion worldwide.
Potravinársky priemysel alebo výživový obrat okolo 850 miliárd dolárov a stále rastie.
Anybody tried any other diet products?
Niekto skúšal nejaké dietologické produkty?
And then the direct sales or network marketing industry is at $85 billion per year and growing at double-digit growth.
A odvetvie priameho predaja, čiže sieťový marketing, už prevyšuje 85 miliárd dolárov ročne a ročný rast je v dvojciferných číslach.
And it's growing so rapidly because people are looking for an opportunity to change their lives or have a better opportunity.
A dôvodom je to, že ľudia hľadajú príležitosti, ako zmeniť svoje životy.
And we are just beginning. We're a year and a half old.
Je to len začiatok, máme rok a pol.
But we have a product that appeals to everyone.
Máme výrobky, ktoré oslovujú každého.
Our target market worldwide is in the trillions of dollars.
A cieľový trh celosvetovo je v biliónoch dolárov.
We're open in doing business in 32 countries and many more to come.
A biznis, to podnikanie sme rozbehli v 32 krajinách a ďalšie sú na rade.
So the opportunity is very, very great timing for your opportunity right now.
A preto to načasovanie pre vás a tá príležitosť pre vás je skvelá práve teraz.
Singular's motto is we'll continue to attract and find good people one at a time. Change lives one at a time.
Chceme pokračovať v tom, aby sme nachádzali skvelých ľudí a menili ich životy jeden po jednom.
And what we want to be able to do is create an opportunity that you'll have a chance to create your own history.
A chceme vám dať šancu, aby ste zmenili svoj život a vytvárali svoju históriu.
Have your opportunity. So thank you for your time and your few minutes that you shared with us tonight.
A ďakujem za váš čas, že ste prišli a za to, že ste tu s nami strávili nejaký čas.
Thank you for translating.